Hello everybody, I'm Musa Abdelkarim. I hope doing well. I will talk about several points in this video. Let me start in introduction. The study is all about the effective communication and skills for solving any problems related to the practical experience in the company named Macquarie Group Australia. However, the research is one of the employee in the company where it has been identified about the roles as well as the performance of the managers to deal with challenging situation. The research is also showing its effectiveness on management model for better understanding, finding and analysis, effective communication and skills in solving practical problems. The effective communication skills must be where the company Macquarie Group Australia has established their success in solving their problem in daily life at workplace. There are some specific factors which influence it, such are highlighted and mentioned below. Establishing a human connection. There must a connection and a proper communication among the employee in the company, which will help the company and management to deal properly with the employee for better progress. Second point, sensitive comfort zone to the client. The client is required to provide comfort zone as it will help the employee and management to deal properly with the client for better growth. Third point, leveraging the brand of the company. The company has to provide leverage to the brand, which will help the company to grow, and it can help in making them repeated. The company Macquarie Group Australia will be more benefit when the power, leverage and facilities to be given. Fourth point, mode of communication. There are a lot of communication modes which will be beneficial. It can be email, SMS, presentation, video, landing pages and many more. All communication modes are important to meet the expectation and also have the effectiveness in terms of communication. Fifth point, promptly following up. The management should follow up their employee when it is required and also in casual days. There would not be any kind of gap among them, which will make the manager more productive. The company Macquarie Group Australia is very known as the best management in Australia, and therefore maintain proper decorum in dealing with the client and serve their employee in a correct way. Now we talk about roles of overcoming challenges. The company Macquarie Group Australia has already faced many challenges which will also need to overcome by the management of the company. The change is required in terms of many ways, such as globalization, diversity, technology, ethics, and governance. Firstly, globalization, it should have a prepared check, and there must be a growing independency among different countries where the manager will hold all kind of aspects. Also, the technological development is to be checked. The manager are responsible and also deal with all the mentioned situation where the proper strategy are to be arranged with appropriate technologies for the company Macquarie Group Australia. Second one, governance and ethics. The business of Macquarie Group Australia has to be unique, and there must be proper ethics where the government would be valid. However, the company has to the effective governance in all aspects, and the appropriate ethics are managed. We would help them maintain the secure management. The manager of the company must be energetic and deal with proper guidance. uh, Diversity, it must require dealing with the challenge related to the communication and having the effectiveness in the dealing with the management. However, the manager must be aware of meeting and where the relevant information to be shared. The proper diversity is to be managed, and there should be refined actions where the communication should be accurate. It will be more value, and the required aspects would be useful. Technology, it is much required to maintain the proper technique, which will help the company Macquarie Group Australia support the management to deal with the necessary paths. The manager should create more strategy technique achieve success. A proper maintenance is also required for implementation for the business to grow high. Now we talk about development of management model. The company Macquarie Group Australia has developed in a structure which is needed to follow the aspects and has effective in all respects. The clinical practices and the tasks depends upon the partnership and collaborating with other organizations, which is also related to finance for the growth of the economy. It would be useful in practicing the professional development and the activities which are needed to develop in feasible, feasible conditions. The financial risk is required in order to maintain by different teams handling the event for their sustainable growth. It will be effective in all aspects for the company Macquarie Group Australia to handle all types of development in the growth of the company as well as country Australia. Recommendation. The company Macquarie Group Australia has set all goals and dealing related to the workflow but finally achieved the suggestion related to the skills for the communicating with the employees. The proper skills must be shown concerning communicate in pressure situation. It would be useful and dealing on the challenges will also show its effectiveness. It should have a proper maintenance and there should not be a type of any gap in communication. The development of the structure for the organization would be crystal clear so that all employees must adhere to the rules for the betterment. Conclusion. The research has shown all the attributes and skills related to the communication for dealing in the company Macquarie Group Australia. It has also highlighted the problems as well to collaborate the challenges along with the risk in the company. Being an employee, the researcher has faced all the situations and finally demonstrate the structure of the management to handle such as a case in our clear way for the advanced study. Thanks for watching.